Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video in which we will look at the sum and difference of cubes. So here is the sum of cubes formula, sum meaning plus. Here is the difference of cubes formula, difference meaning minus. So they arise because if you expand this, you get that. If you expand this, you get that. All right, let's put them into actions. Let's factorize x cubed minus 729. So you might find it easier to write it as x cubed minus 9 cubed. So we're going to use this formula here, the difference of two cubes. So here, our a is the first thing. So a is like x, replace a with x, replace b with 9. So doing that, we have a, which is like x minus b multiplied by x squared plus the two things multiplied together, 9 times x plus 9 squared, which is 81. And if you expand this, you get that. So this always turns out to be an irreducible quadratic. So you actually can't factorize this any further. You never have to worry about factorizing the quadratic, which is good. All right, let's try this one here. So now we have the sum of two cubes. We're going to use this formula here. So again, you might find it easy to write it slightly different. This is the same as 2x all cubed plus 9y all cubed. So we're going to use this formula here. We're going to replace a with 2x and b with 9y. So going ahead with this, we have a plus b in the first bracket, and then in the second bracket we have a squared, so that's 2x all squared, then minus xy, so 9y times 2x is minus 18xy. And then lastly, we have 9y all squared. So we get 81y squared, and then we're done. All right, let's look at this third one here. Now, you're probably looking at this and thinking, hang on, 2 is not a cubic number, nor is 16. So whenever you're factorizing, though, whichever method you end up using, always try highest common factor first. See if there's a common factor. Now, these two terms do have a common factor. They both have a common factor of 2 and also of x. So highest common factor method first. So taking out our factor of 2x, what do I times by 2x to get x to the power of 4? Well, I get x cubed. What do I times by 2x to get negative 16x? Well, that's negative 8. Now, this is the difference of two cubes. So I'll leave the 2x alone and I'll factorize the x cubed minus 8 part. So it's going to be x minus 2, like a minus b, then a squared plus, so now it will be 2 times x, and then negative 2 all squared is positive 4. So once again, you don't need to worry about factorizing the quadratic. It's always an irreducible quadratic. So we are done. This is fully factorized. All right, thank you so much for tuning into this video. This has been the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Have a great day.